Well, it's evening and Jackson is back home from the vet. Yeah, looking at his wounds. We shouldn't be looking. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, you could be alright now. You'll be alright. Get some rest here, yeah? Get him a nice pen. Yeah, good boy. He's got antibiotics and painkillers and he's very hungry, so that's great. And he drank for England. And now he's getting it out of here. Carefully. It's what he normally does, so we want him to be free but have a nest to go where he won't be disturbed by anybody apart from the other dogs. And the sheep are comfortable with him and he is with them, so we want him to be in this little spot here. And he sort of found his spot there. Yeah. That's his chosen spot. That's where you want to be? Okay, and then there's a spot over there with some privacy. Yeah? That's a good boy. Okay. Well, this is the spot that we have made for him. And the sheep can't get in there. He's got his food, his water, and there's more water. He's eating all the food. He's out of the wind. We'll check back on him later, after dinner. Hey, puppy dog. He'll probably out of sleep now. Yeah, that's Henry. That's some ewe lambs out there.